Hi children, welcome back. In the previous session, we discussed about the movement of the moons and as well as the phases of the moon. How do the moon changes its structure day by day? Practically, we have come to know in that previous chapter. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn some more about the moon. That is, let us see the condition on the moon. How do the weather and climate will be there? Condition of the moon. We know that earth it has a gravity and as well as it has the environment and all components are present on the earth, then it is possible for the survivalence of living being. Let us see whether how do the moon appears. Actually, what is there on the moon? चांद के ऊपर क्या रहता है, कैसे रहता है, हम रह सकते कि नहीं, अब देखेंगे. The moon is about the size. When you compare the size, if it is the earth, when you divide the earth into fourth part, it is 1 by 4th. The moon size is 1 by 4th of the earth. Means earth से भी छोटा रहता है ये, right? 4 गुना छोटा रहता है ये, right? Here actually the problem is that the moon also has the capacity to attract the things. For example, land has the gravity, earth has the gravity. Like that, even moon also have the gravity, but very less gravity. For example, whatever the gravitational power that present on the earth, it is equal to 1 by 6 times, right? Very less gravity is present on the moon. सो जब ग्रेविटी कम रहता है, जब चीज़ों का खींचना कम रहता है, इसलिए द गैसेस, एनवायरमेंटल गैसेस, दे अनेबल टू प्रेजेंट around the moon because there is no gravity to pull the air molecules towards the moon. So that's why the environment is very nil. There is no water, there is no air. There is no water and there is no air. So here and as well as, for example, if you jump on the earth, अगर समझो earth के ऊपर आप कूद आए, जब जंप किया आप 1 मीटर हाइट जंप हुआ है, वही फोर्स से अगर चांद पे जंप हुआ तो 6 टाइम्स, मतलब 6 मीटर्स उड़ जाते हैं आप, क्योंकि लेस ग्रेविटी है वहाँ पे, इसलिए easily we could able to fly in the on the moon. Actually, for example, if your weight is 30 kgs, if your weight is 30 kgs on the earth, it becomes 5 to 6 kg on the moon. Your weight will be reduced. Why? Because less gravity. Because of less gravity, the less pulling force कम रहने से वेट भी कम हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे, राइट? सो 5 किलोग्राम बन जाते हैं आप. और एक कमाल के बात बताऊँ क्या, अगर आप समझो मून चांद के ऊपर खड़ा होके, इफ़ यू लुक एट द अर्थ फ्रॉम द मून, then earth also appears like a moon. You know that? For example, you stood here and moon is appearing like that. And if you go to the moon, if you look at the earth, then earth also appears like a moon. It appears like a moon. You know that thing, right? So here why do it appears like that? Because actually it is non-glowing, it is non-luminous. चांद जो दिखता है ना, वो कैसा दिखता है, लाइट देता है आप उनको. एक्चुअली दैट इज़ नॉट द लाइट ऑफ द मून, that is just the reflection of the moon. Whenever the sun rays falls on the moon, when sun rays falls on the moon, these sun rays they reflects back onto the earth. So those are reflected rays, that's it, but not the glowing of the moon is नॉन ल्यूमिनस का मतलब वो खुद का लाइट नहीं दे पाते सन जैसा, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ sun rays it shines, that's it, right? So here the atmosphere on the earth, it prevents it forming very hot and during the day and very cold during the night, whereas no atmosphere on the moon. मून के ऊपर एटमॉस्फेयर ही नहीं है क्योंकि लेस ग्रेविटी है, राइट. सो दैट्स वाई वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर रहता है. कहाँ पे? मून पे टेम्परेचर बहुत देर सारा रहता है, राइट. सो हियर जो कुछ भी पार्ट अगर समझो सन को एक्सपोज हुआ, अब देखो मून है, मून का ए पार्ट सन को एक्सपोज हुआ, समझो ये सब बॉइल्ड हॉट रहता है, बहुत देर सारा हॉट रहता है ये. जो कुछ भी पार्ट सनरेस नहीं है यहाँ पे, देर आर नो सनरेस, सो इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड, आइसी कोल्ड. मीन्स अगर रहे तो हॉट रहता है, नहीं तो कोल्ड रहता है. बहुत एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस कहते हैं इसे. इन एक्सट्रीम कंडीशन में लिविंग बीइंग रहने का बहुत कम चांसेस रहता है यहाँ पे, राइट. एंड इट इज़ ए वेरी क्वाइट प्लेस, राइट. It is a very quiet place. Even the big rock smashes on the surface of the moon, right. No sound, and no sound can be heard, right. For example, यहाँ क्या है, environment नहीं है. We know that air can carry the sound waves. यहाँ sound waves carry करने के लिए हवा ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. जब हवा नहीं रहता है साउंड वेव्स तो कैरी नहीं होता. इसलिए बॉम्ब भी लगा दो, बड़ा बॉम्ब भी लगा दो आप, यहाँ साउंड नहीं आएगा. देर इज़ नो साउंड ऑन द एर्थ, सॉरी ऑन द मून. देर इज़ नो साउंड ऑन द मून because there is no environment. When there is no air, the sound waves unable to carry by the air. When there is no air, there is no sound. There is no sound, right. Remember this one. So क्या क्या है यहाँ पे? एक, उसका ग्रेविटी कम है, ग्रेविटी इज वेरी लेस, and it unable to pull the environment air particles towards it so that we can fly high. And due to absence of air, sound waves unable to travel, so we couldn't listen any word. And the part of the sun, the side of the sun which is exposed to the sunlight, it is very hot, and remaining it is very cool. So these are the extreme conditions that can be seen on the moon, right. So here ये सब हमको कैसा पता चल गया? Who told us that moon is like this, moon has nothing, and who told this? Very good. So scientists they did experiments on the moon, and even successfully they went up to the moon. Actually in 1961 Yuri Gagarin. So Yuri Gagarin is the scientist, actually Russian scientist. He is the first human go into the outer space. अर्थ जो है ना, अर्थ जो है इसका ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स से भी बाहर चले गए, मीन्स ही एंटर्ड इनटू द स्पेस. हु? यूरी गगारिन in 1961. आफ्टर 8 years, मतलब 1961 में यूरी गगारिन स्पेस में गया. ये एंटर्ड इनटू द स्पेस, and next first astronomer. And next in 1969 simply the Americans they sent a spacecraft. Its name is Apollo 11. Apollo 11 spacecraft. Successfully this spacecraft is landed on the moon. चांद के ऊपर पहुंचा गया है. अपना चंद्रयान जैसा. चंद्रयान आपको पता है क्या? चंद्रयान 1, चंद्रयान 2 फेल हो गया, लेकिन चंद्रयान 1 सक्सेसफुली इट रीच्ड द मून, राइट. लाइक दैट हियर in 1969 American spacecraft, that is Apollo 11, it is landed on the moon. And later Neil Armstrong, remember the name, Neil Armstrong, and as well as his friend Edwin Aldrin, Edwin Aldrin, Edwin Aldrin, Edwin Aldrin, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, both of them, they went to the moon. The first human being that entered into the moon. They landed on the moon and they walked on the moon. They stepped their foot on the moon. पता है क्या, मून का ऊपर पाँव लगाया है वो, right? So two great scientists, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, both they went together first. But first Neil Armstrong got out of the spacecraft, and after Aldrin within 2-3 seconds later he stepped, right? So both of them, they visited moon, they stepped on the moon, right? So like this many explorations are going on the moon. Means बहुत research हो रहे, बहुत ढेर सारा what you call experimentations, and they are trying to find out. Actually Vikram, our rover is Vikram rover, it get failed, Chandrayaan 2. If it got succeed, the India will be first in the position, right? So however this is about exploration of the moon and the scientific study of the moon, right? I hope you understood. We'll discuss more about the eclipse and as well as satellites, natural satellites and artificial satellites in the next chapter. Okay, thank you.